So I just figured to try something really quick on here. If it'll turn out, it'll turn out. It's not the color I want, but we're printing a battery cover for the original Game Boy. And this is like going to be the first like actual like print on this after calibrating the E-steps and the upgrades and stuff like that. So I feel like I had this thing set pretty well. These printers here, they seem to be real finicky about where the bed springs are set, because like I could level the bed, right? This doesn't have a touch sensor, but I could level the bed a certain way where I know it's level, and then adjust my E-steps to make sure that everything's good. There's not going to be any mesh or anything like that. But this one here, what I ended up having to do is I just set Z to absolutely 0 and adjust my bed all over again. So basically, normally there should be like no offset on the Z. I don't know if it's showing it. I think I had like a little bit. Yeah, so my Z is actually positive 33. So for whatever reason, I'd rather have it see it be 0 or something like that. But I also need to change this whole entire thing anyways. So I need to take the glass bed off of here and then put the magnetic piece on there, and I can use the PEI spring steel sheet. And that'll change everything because the glass is really thick. So when you go from just a magnet to steel sheet, you're going to be further down. So I may just leave this one just like it is. Who knows? We'll just see. It's not printing like real amazing, but we get a little bit of crappy going on, but it's working. It didn't work when I got it at all, This one here, I forget what it was. It would like start going all the way up to here and then start printing. And then this one didn't work at all. It just went That was a firmware related issue and computer. So we're getting these chunks of crap in here. Let me see if I can get in here and nip it off of there. There might be some boogers hanging on the end of the print head. I feel like with these printers, like you really have to babysit them. You got to sit here, and I guess with any of them you really do. I mean, because like anything can happen. You walk away for a minute and you've got a ball of crap that's going to get stuck behind the print head and break it off. That almost happened with that Elegoo Neptune 4. Where's that ball of stuff? I put it up here because it's like crazy. Like in a short amount of time, this was back behind the print head like this, just building up like molten lava, and eventually that would have broke something. So anyway, we'll see how this thing turns out. It actually looks like a nice second layer. Really, actually not bad. I set it to print 100%. On all this small stuff, I try and print 100%. I don't like flimsy crap. So, filament's cheap enough that basically, if you print something with 20% and then it breaks, then you just wasted all that anyways.